are new here, my name is Santos. If you guys are returning subscribers, what's good fam? Thank you guys for the continued support and welcome back to another video. So in today's video guys, I have a video that's been in the archives for about 3 weeks. Unfortunately, I did not like the end execution of the final look, so I was like, I'm gonna hold off on putting it out. All the products in that video are trending products at the moment, so I decided to just close out the video and just explain pretty much what happened. So yeah guys, so I wind up recreating the look. I took some time to really think about it, and then I decided to recreate it and just add a little bit of more finishing touches. And guys, I am obsessed with the look. The look is perfection. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys up close what this looks like. I'm so sorry about my chair. I'm so embarrassed. I need to put some DW40 on my wheels because those bad boys do not move. So sorry. So here is a close-up look of today's look. So as you guys can see, we wind up doing like a triple graphic eyeliner moment. I just wanted to go ahead and really just showcase a little bit more skill set. My circle of friends have been really putting out the content lately, and they have really truly have been pushing my artistry. I'm just seeing these girls, they're so talented, put out these fire content, and you know what, I don't want to be left behind, so I decided to just challenge my own artistry and just go for it. So I'm absolutely obsessed with how today's look came out. I just feel super like cute, like I feel like a baddie, okay? Like nobody ain't gonna stop me. What's up now? In today's video guys, we are going to be featuring the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Primal Palette. If you guys have not seen the color story to this palette, oh my god, let me go ahead and show you guys. Guys, every time I look at this color story, it makes me so happy. I am so honored to own this palette. It's just like, it's a dream come true, and a palette that works. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. So this is the third time that I'm actually using this palette hands-on, and again, as all 3 times that I've played with them, I have loved it. I have had no issues with this palette in creating looks, and I mean, literally guys, if you get up close, it's just like buttery, even, defined, pure color. Love it, love it, love it. So if you guys are fans of color and have never tried or was wondering if this is a great brand, I definitely highly recommend it. I'm not even gonna wait till the tutorial to let you guys know this is a great palette. Okay, shout outs to Blend Bunny Cosmetics. So I think that's all I needed to mention in today's video. If you guys are enjoying my content, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the Ignitius family if you guys aren't already. Don't forget to spread the word on your new favorite influencer. And without further ado guys, enjoy the video. What's up everyone, here is a close-up look of today's look, but before we get into the look, let's get to some prepping. So up first is the Rem Beauty Essential Drip Lip Oil in Mint Condition. I have been loving this little product. It has a unique like ball applicator in the actual wand, and it just applies this oil so smooth, and it leaves a nice cooling sensation to the lip. By the end of my makeup application, my lips are ready for lipstick. Like, this product is just bomb. I love it. So guys, help me welcome back the Blend Bunny Cosmetics Primal Palette. I've been so obsessed with this palette. Like, it does what it need to do flawlessly. I'm just so obsessed. So let's jump right into our eyeshadow base. We are going to be using the Plouise eyeshadow base in Rumor number 2. You guys know that's holy grail. So up first is going to be the shade Camouflage. Camouflage is this beautiful like foresty green color. Oh, I'm obsessed. So we're gonna go ahead and pack this onto the crease. Now you guys can do whatever you want. If you want to go ahead and round this off, go ahead and round it. I decided to go ahead and pull this crease outwards. So here is where we should be at. We are going to jump into the color Toxin next, and Toxin is this gorgeous highlighter color. Oh my god, so obsessed. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as our second transition shade. I'm going to go ahead and just run that on top of the Camouflage until I start getting a nice gradient effect, and then I am going to switch to a fluffier brush so that way I can get a nice cloudy or faded look towards the brow. and here is where we should be at, guys. I do encourage you to take your time, okay? With the power of editing, I'm able to speed up this process, but I am here for a hot minute, okay? I'm just being 100% with y'all. You know, I always keep it 100, so just be patient, and if you are gonna do this, please give yourself enough time, okay? Alright guys, so jumping right into the palette, we are going to go into the color Nocturnal. Now I am doing this to just smoke it up, to give a little bit more definition, and I am going to go ahead and jump right back into some of the colors that I did lose. So I am going to go back into Toxin, and then of course I had to add another color, guys. I just had to. So we're going to go into the color Luna to finish off that cloudy blend, and y'all, when I tell you flawless, this is flawless, okay? Like, that blend is just impeccable. So jumping right into our Marseille cleansing water, we are going to cut our crease. So this is the one with the pink top, guys. I am gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm just gonna clean up that wing and just make a nice sharp line. This is so satisfying in so many ways. When I watch myself edit this, I'm like, oh, take me back, you know. So here is where we should be after we cut our crease. So now we're going to go into our eyeshadow bases again. So we're going to go into the Plouise eyeshadow base in Rumor number 2, as well as the canvas paint in blank canvas or yeah, blank canvas. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that, and then I'm just gonna, I like to work in sections with this because it does dry down quick. Well, not that it dries down quick, because I do use the Plouise base with it, but I'm so used to the base drying down so fast that I do it in steps. So, and that's what works best for me. So here's me just going ahead and cutting the crease. I did want to show you guys the footage, so I just sped it up just a little bit so you guys don't get bored. So going back into the palette, we are going to go into that camouflage shade. So in the intro, you guys saw me do a little bit of a different makeup. So pretty much I did the same steps, but when I put the eyeliner part on is where I actually connected inwards. I just felt like the look was lacking something. That's why it hasn't been posted, but I actually recorded this about 3 weeks ago. But look at that. Can we just get into that cut crease? Like, period. Y'all see that? Fire. I'm just saying, it's fire. All right, guys, so this is the Suva Beauty Uvtaffies in the blue palette. So this one has the pastel-y colors. We are gonna go into the color Cuddle Cakes. It's that like lime, that neon lime green. Y'all, obsessed with these colors. Like, the Suva Beauty eyeliners are water activated eyeliners, and they're just so good. They're bomb. They're actually really bomb. So again, like I was saying earlier, all I did here, well, in different in the intro, was that I actually connected that outer part, which I should have did in the first place, but I didn't. I was trying to be extra, and I didn't even like it because it just felt so separated and incomplete. But anyways, I wind up, you know, sometimes as a creator, you get creatively stagnant, or there's something missing, and you just have to take a step back and leave your work and then revisit it. And that's what I did, and I'm so happy I did, because I love the look and how it turned out. So again, all I did was connect it. And as far as for the yellow, I just wind up using the Colourpop, I forget the name of the yellow liner, but it's gonna be, I think it's called Screaming, and I'll leave the right name in the description bar down below. And yeah, so let's jump out and let's get into Complexion. So up first is my favorite, guys. This is Holy Grail. This is the Lancôme Teint Idol color corrector in the color Peach. This is my jam. If you guys are new here, I love me some color correctors because it allows me to put on less concealer and lessen the bulk of product that I put on my skin, which will allow my skin to look like skin, not like makeup. So that's just a little tip for everyone that be packing on the concealer. If you are packing on too much concealer, you need to involve a color corrector in your makeup routine. Trust me, it's a game changer. All right, guys, as promised a couple of weeks ago, I did tell you guys that I would get back to you on this cocktail, and I've been using this cocktail, and I wanted to just let you guys know that if you guys do try this cocktail is bomb. This is the One Size BBB cream and the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Foundation. Y'all, this has been just a game changer. Like, I get the smoothness from the BBB cream, but I get the hydration from the Charlotte. Like, it's a bomb. It's bomb, and it does not separate. Oh, it's fire, y'all. So definitely give it a try. Let me know what you guys think. So up next is the new Huda Beauty Full Filter Concealer, and I do have this, I think, in the color number 3. I'll put the right name in the description bar. I have been such a huge fan of this, so bomb. It just reminds me so much of the Charlotte concealer. Like, it does give you that like velvety under eye. And then I am gonna set that with my favorite setting powder, which is the Huda Beauty baking powder in the color Poundcake. And you guys can see my under eyes are flawless. All right guys, so let's go ahead and set the remaining part of our face. I am going to jump into one of my favorites. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Press Powder, and I am going to just push this into the skin. If you guys haven't tried this, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. This powder is so beautiful on the skin. It gives a nice smooth velvety finish, and y'all, it's so affordable. Like, it's bomb. It's bomb. You need it. Alright guys, and this is a product you also need. This is the cream color base from MAC Cosmetics in the color Hush. This gives such a beautiful candlelight glow. If you guys are not incorporating creams into your makeup routine, you guys are missing out. I promise you, it will change up your makeup game. Trust me. Alright guys, so jumping into giving our face a little bit of depth, I am going to use the Made for Shade Bronzing Sculpt Trio in medium dark. I am using this with a fluffy, flimsy brush. This is a tulip shade brush, so it won't pick up so much of the product because this bronzer is super pigmented and can get very muddy very quick. So you definitely want to use something flimsy to get that flawless like airbrush application. Alright guys, so moving on to one of my favorites. This is the Jaclyn Hill Cream to powder blush in Swoon. Y'all, this is just gorgeous. It is a beautiful peachy shade, and the way it lays on the skin is so beautiful. The glow is so gorgeous. And of course, we're gonna use my favorites, the Popsy lashes in the style Boss. Oh my gosh, such a great pair of lashes. If you guys are looking for an amazing quality lash, definitely use Firecracker to save some coin on your next purchase. Alright guys, so jumping right back into the palette, we are going to be focusing on the bottom lash line. So I am going right back into the camouflage, and I am going to go ahead and take this on our bottom lash line. And right here, I did go ahead and blend it out. So for the actual intro shade, what I did was take camouflage just on the outer part, and then I went in on the inside and did it halfway and opened up the eye. And what I did right on the middle, I kind of left it separated, and I did like almost a halo eye with a little bit of the gold shade Regal. It was so beautiful. So I'm so sorry again, I did this look. The intro is after, it was a few weeks after this. Okay, so I do apologize, but let's get back into the lips. I did use the Huda Beauty lip liner in warm brown, and then we are taking the Rem Beauty on the color liquid lipstick in Leave a Message. Such a beautiful nude, and the formula wasn't too drying on the lips. And then I did finish this off with the Artist Couture lip gloss in Uncensored, and my battery died shortly after finishing this footage. So I am going to end the tutorial here. Thank you guys for tuning into today's video. I had so much fun creating today's video. If you guys have any questions, definitely sound off in the comments below. Thank you again guys for hanging out with me today. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, definitely give your favorite homeboy a like, and you guys already know I will catch you in the next one. Be good, y'all.